If you are the one who, after investing your hard-earned money on your hair transplant and patiently waiting for almost an year, experience an outwardly obvious and bad result, this is even worse than a naturally receding hairline and can be exceedingly embarrassing for the individual you turned out to be unhappy and lost confidence. This happens mostly when you plan your hair transplant in haste without adequate research. The breadth of the corrective hair transplant depends on the extent of previous surgery results. Other factors that can lead to unnatural results are hairline placement and symmetry, graft placement, graft angulation, suboptimal growth because of faulty technique used by a novice surgeon. In such case, you need not to be in a state of despair and hopelessness. You can still give a chance for a revision or corrective surgery under the expert hands, where the hairline can be further improvised. We have done hundreds of corrective hair transplants where the hairline was not natural, the angulation was not proper, the density was very low, or the donor was damaged. So if you are looking for a recorrective hair transplant, then you can visit and consult with our experts.